All right, I'm Kevin Mickle, and I'm here with Capital Marketing Group, and we are at the CMG conference in Las Vegas, and I'm here with Ed Porter with Sentinel Security Life. And Ed, tell us what Sentinel has going on.
Yep. Well, I appreciate the opportunity. We're excited to be a part of this conference, and I feel like it's one of the better conferences that Sentinel Security Life attends each year, mostly because we get an opportunity to interact with our distribution partners, and Capmar is one of those. We enjoy being able to do business with you guys. We appreciate the relationship. Terry's been very instrumental in allowing us to be able to introduce Sentinel to the agents, and so we have some exciting things that are going on. If you're not familiar with Sentinel Security Life, we're a small company out of Salt Lake City, Utah. We were started in 1948 by a group of Utah funeral directors, and so we kind of got our start in the final expense business. It's been our forte for a number of years. In 2008, we expanded our product portfolio, and we got into the Medicare supplement business. Then we diversified in 2011 with annuities. 2013, we came out with our indexed annuity product, and then we're just reintroducing our hospital indemnity plan that was live July the 1st. So we'll have a number of states that we're coming out with that product. Very excited about it. We feel like that it's going to be a great complement for the Medicare Advantage agents. If you're not familiar with the new rules in 2015, during the annual enrollment period, agents will not be able to be paid their commissions on the Medicare Advantage or the Part D products. In fact, you're going to have to wait until January 1st to get paid. Okay. So with this Medicare Advantage rules and regulations with CMS, it could affect the commissions that an agent receives, and we know that could hurt somebody's pocketbook. Right. So with our hospital indemnity plan, we think it not only helps cover the deductibles and the co-payments that are involved with the Medicare Advantage plans. It's going to be a great complement to a Medicare Advantage plan, but we also know that it'll give the agent an opportunity to make commissions immediately. So we think that's going to be a great way to be able to pad your pocket. Yeah. We also think it's going to be a great product. It's going to have some different riders out there, such as dental and vision riders, which are going to be very, very helpful for your client, because there's not a lot of plans that have dental benefits. So we think that's going to be a good fit for your client. And if you're familiar with our annuities, we've got our MIGA product, which is probably the hottest product out there. It's on a 5, 7, or 10-year chassis, and on our 5-year rate, it's paying 3.1%. So that's one of the highest out there in the country. We call it the CD beater. It's one of the easiest products to be able to understand. So if you're new to the annuity business, I'd encourage you to be able to ask Capmar about that particular product. We feel like it's a great fit for somebody who's a little more conservative in their investment strategy, somebody who's not really trusting of the marketplace. And rather than park your money in CDs at the bank where you're going to earn very little interest, and then at the end of the year you have to pay taxes on it because you get a 1099 with those CDs. Right. So, what good is the interest growth when you're getting, pennies on a dollar, or less than a penny on a dollar, and then you have to pay taxes on it. So we find that the importance of having a fixed annuity allows you to have accumulated interest, allows you to be able to grow your money tax deferred, and we're giving you 3.1% over a 5-year period. So very, very competitive product, very compelling for seniors that are very conservative in their investment strategy. We also have our fixed index annuity, and that is going to allow you to be able to have access to your money through an income rider. So it's a 10-year product. We can pay up to a 7% premium bonus. If you elect to take the income rider, you get another 1% bonus, so you can have up to 8% bonus within your first year on the initial premium. It is a single premium annuity, so you can't add funds later, but we have probably the highest payout factors of any rider that's out there. So it gives a person great liquidity for their money. One of the concerns that seniors have is that they're always worried about outliving their retirement income. Right. So a lot of people like this feature because the income rider pays for life, and so if the individual exhausts 100% of their principal and interest, they're still alive, then we'll continue to pay on that rider, and so it allows them to basically have, like another version of their IRA where it'll pay them for life. Right. So, we feel like that we really want to be a company that provides multiple products in the senior market space that allows you as the agent the opportunity to be successful and fit the need regardless of what it is for your client.
Yeah.
So we've got Medicare supplements, we've got final expense, we've got annuities, we've got a hospital indemnity plan, and so we're excited about our product portfolio, excited about our relationship with Capmar. We want to continue to grow. Some other exciting news is that on our New Vantage final expense plan, we've just got approved the New Vantage 2 and the New Vantage 3. So the New Vantage 1 is a full death benefit. The New Vantage 2 has a graded death benefit where we'll pay 30% of the face amount if the policyholder dies within the first year, pay 70% if they die in the second year, and then after the third year, basically it's 100% of the face amount. Also on the New Vantage 3, that's a policy where a person will be able to get paid the premiums plus 10% if they died in the first 2 years. That's for somebody that's in poor health conditions.
Right.
We also feel like that our underwriting is very favorable to somebody who does have some health conditions. So some companies may automatically decline if somebody has like COPD,
Right.
Parkinson's, epilepsy, neuropathy. Those are examples of where we could get a policy approved as long as they haven't been hospitalized in the last 3 months. And some other carriers may decline, but we feel like
Right. That's important.
as long as it's controlled, they're taking their medications, and they're not. Like I said, they haven't been hospitalized in the last 3 months. Then that would be an opportunity for somebody with health conditions to find a plan that they can qualify for.
Sounds good.
Yep. So we're excited about that. We also, for you guys in South Carolina, we are going to try to file in the state this year. So hopefully by the end of 2015, we'll have a license to do business in South Carolina. And then we hope to have some products available for you. So some exciting things happening with Sentinel, and we just thank you guys for the business.
Yep. Yeah, thank you for being here.
Yep, absolutely. Thank you very much.
To learn how you can write with Sentinel Security Life, call Capital Marketing Group at 919-488-3686.